Come test drive the 2017 LS 460. Refined and indulgent, yet willing to let loose when given the opportunity, the LS 460 boasts a V8 engine that delivers 380 horsepower with an innovative 8-speed automatic transmission and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, voice-activated navigation system, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, heated steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.